Just wondering.
Okay. We're gonna have a fight between a fat fudger that's a Duke crazy fan. He's Cameron crazy. And a complete boss. Okay?
That's really biased.
In the first corner, weighing 345 pounds, Jay Mills. What a complete tank. What a complete tank. Now, in the other corner, weighing in at 203 pounds and 6'3", Jared the Tank Whitehead. Oh, excuse me. It's Whitehead? Oh, it's Whitehead. Whitehead. That's real fun, ain't it? Yeah, I did fudge up, you fat fuck. Alright. Alright, so they gonna fight now? We all know Jared's gonna win because Justin's nickname is Jelly Roll. So, alright, let's go the Tank and Jelly Roll. Let's see who wins.
Let's go. Come at me. Come at me. Come on.
Oh! Hey, no ball shots, nigga, no ball shots.
Oh,
I don't want to hurt you. I'm scared.
No, no.
I'll get you.
No.
I'll get you. Oh, I see how it is.
Jesus.
Uh-oh. Oh. Batista bomb! Alright, is the fight done? Alright, as you guys can see, Jelly Roll lost. Sorry, Jelly Roll. Oh, I hate the ball. Oh, why are you hurting me? Bye, everybody. I love you all.
I won.
Yeah, fat fuck Jelly Roll.